How's it going, everybody? So you may have seen me walking around, you may have seen me in the videos, and I don't talk a whole lot, and I'll tell you why. Because I like to hibernate in the wintertime. I don't like to be on camera, I don't like to be around things. I like to hide in the little corner over here in the building here at PSA. But my buddies, which happen to be my boss, my friends, they say they want me to get up and do something. So I guess I gotta earn my keep. So that's why I'm here telling you about this video. This video is gonna be something simply quick and painless. We just got this truck here. It's a 2022 F250, and we bought it from the Impact auction. Impact, you say, Dave? But there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, we look around with it. Well, there's many kinds of things you can get from there. They're not all smashed up. This one happens to be a theft recovery. Fun fact, Ford is the, according to the Insurance Bureau of Canada, for, like, they're not gonna get any awards for this, but for the last 2 years running, they're the most stolen truck in Canada. So, bravo Ford. They're doing something right, except people just don't want to pay for them, they want to take them. So that's where we come in. We just purchased this 2022 Ford F250. And although it is a nice truck, we're gonna do a little chrome delete package on this truck. And I'll tell you why. My dad loved chrome. My grandpa loved chrome. My great-grandpa loved chrome. His grandpa loved chrome. They all love chrome. We not so much here. So what are we gonna do to this truck? We're gonna take this truck, we're gonna go boom. Black, 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 gone. And then we're gonna lift it up. And we're gonna put, I think we're gonna put a three inch lift in this truck with some black rims and some, oh, and the back, the bumpers, they're going black too, the whole thing. So stay tuned and watch us, because probably this week this truck's gonna get done. It's gonna look totally different, and we'll have it on here. But the magic of this video is you're gonna see it right away. So enjoy, follow us on YouTube, like us on Instagram, watch us on the TikTok, and check this truck out in about 2 minutes. Voila! Well, here it is, kids, the 2022 Lariat that we have the chrome delete package done on it. Everything is done now. It looks way better. And if you want to buy this bad boy, you can, because I got it up online. It's on performancesales.ca. You can check it out on there. Or if you want to bring your grandpa's truck in and get it all done up, get all that chrome off it, you can bring that in too. You can call 613-962-5877, get a quote from one of the boys, and your truck could just look exactly like this. We blacked out basically everything, and then we put the nice little lift in. It's got the Fox shocks on it. It's a beauty. So, like I said, chrome is gone. Chrome delete package is here. Check it out, PSA.